can see every year a theme is decided for our World Environmental Day. So this year also a theme is decided for our World Environmental Day by Idol Institution, that is Restore Our Earth. So what do you mean by restoring our Earth? Restoring our Earth means bringing back or replacing what is caused by our Earth environmental by harmful human activities. So what are the harmful human activities? Like garbage, like increasing energy production. So a question arises, why should we protect or save our planet? So some previous year coronavirus has arisen, Ebola virus has arisen, and scientists have predicted that some more viruses can be there in the future. So what is the reason? We are not doing our part to minimize biodiversity loss and deforestation, and we are not planting trees. So we should plant a tree in front of our house or where there is a place, and we should concern municipalities to plant the trees. So there are some steps to restore our earth. So first step is we should be part of the canopy project. Second one is environmental advocacy. Third one is we should pick up litter and discourage litter. Litter means garbage. Fourth one is combat plastic pollution for good. And fifth one is audit for food regularly. Thank you.